I'm Kerry Dungay. I'm Head of Student Support at Arts University Plymouth. Student support is set up to provide several services for students who are studying at the university. We have wellbeing services, welfare services, very experienced disability advisors. We also have a counselling service available for students to access for free should they feel they need it. My role in student support is to ensure that the students at Arts University Plymouth are accessing a safe, effective, responsive, accessible and caring service. How I manage that is by looking at what some of the issues are more widely in the community and responding to that by putting the services that we need in place. And that can look different each year depending on what some of the challenges are for the student population. And it's also about creating ways in which students can tell us how to do better and where we're doing well, but also to work with students in creating policies that will affect them so that they have a really enjoyable time here and can get the most out of their education. So you can find student support located opposite the library, room CB 1.3. We are open Monday till Friday from 9 o'clock till 5 o'clock. On a Friday we're open until 4:30. On Tuesdays we are closed to walk-ins and we are appointment only.